So best way of doing it, let's see, is in the air. Okay. So it has almost like a little vintage smell to it. Kind of like the old Avon perfume or cologne, but also a mixture of pine. It does kind of remind you of a forest, really. Not like if you're going out on a hiking trail forest, but I mean actually in the woods in like a pine forest. Like I wouldn't wear this like if you're going out to a well, I don't know. No, I would wear this if you're going on a date that's something outside. So I wouldn't wear this if you're going to, say, a movie, or say you're going to a dinner date at a restaurant. This is the type of cologne that I would wear if you're going miniature golfing, or you're going to a family get together outside. Something that's outside. You want to bring that aroma that's not like indoors, because if you smell like you're outside, like you smell like you've been in a pine forest and you're in a restaurant, it's just not going to mix the two. So